What is up, America? Tony from the Real American Outdoors here, and today you can see that my pig rub is empty, so I'm going to show you how I make it. Alright, we have a lot of ingredients here, so let's get to it. First we have ground black pepper, kosher salt, garlic powder, garlic salt, onion powder, celery salt, ground cumin, paprika, ground mustard, chili powder. This is just a chipotle chili pepper, cayenne pepper, and crushed red pepper. And then we also have some brown sugar that will be used as our sweetener balance. So let's get to it, and let's grab our mixing bowl. So first off, what I'm going to do is take 6 tablespoons of kosher salt and ground black pepper. Throw it in there. Next we have 4 tablespoons of onion powder and garlic powder. And then we have 2 tablespoons of celery salt and garlic salt. And then a tablespoon of ground cumin, tablespoon of paprika, 2 teaspoons of ground mustard, and then 1 teaspoon of the chipotle chili pepper, 1 teaspoon of the chili powder, 2 teaspoons of the cayenne pepper, 1 teaspoon of crushed red pepper, and then lastly we're going to add our between a third and half a cup of brown sugar. And then we're going to take a little spatula here, and then we're just going to mix this up. Alright, so there we have it. After we've mixed it up, let's get it in our container. Alright guys, that is my pig rub in the container. The nice part about this is you can get all of these ingredients at your local grocery store. I plan on using this for my pork shoulders, my ribs, and a few other pork-related things, tenderloin, things like that. I'm going to make some more to fill up the rest of this, but that's kind of the ratio I use. You can use whatever ratio you want. If you want a little more kick to it, you can add more cayenne pepper, chili powder, and paprika and cumin. That'll give it a little more kick if that's what you prefer. If not, this provides a good balance of a little sweet heat. More heat than sweet, but still, it's a good balance, good ratio of everything. I like it on my pork products. So thanks for watching. Make sure you check out our other videos. Make sure you like and subscribe to this video and this YouTube channel. Make sure you also check us out on Facebook, Instagram, RealAmericanOutdoors.com, and the American Fishing Challenge through TurnEX. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you next time.